Hi! In front of me is iPhone 14 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all text correction options on this device. First of all, you need to access Settings. Then scroll down and click on General. From here, you need to scroll down again and click on Keyboard under Date and Time. As you can see, all text correction options are located over here. If you wish to turn on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!